It's been a while since she's been on a channel, but the reason why we're staying this far back is because she looks best at this distance. But let's get close to it. Sun did a number on her. The wheels are dirty, the tires are filthy, the wheels are peeling off, the tires are yellow, the quarter panel is fading, the back is fading, the roof is fading. But you know, it's a character. She will be repainted, but not yet. Today we are going to be fixing the control arms. I'm going to show a little bit. I'm not sure if it's going to be visible on a camera, but these are the Moog control arms, and every time when I stop I hear clicks, click, 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 and I could never adjust a steering wheel. No matter how many times I do alignment, it's always like slow to respond, and it just has too much play. And I believe it's the bushings. So we are gonna go home and we are gonna take the old control arms from this car, and we're gonna add polyurethane bushings, and we're gonna add new ball joints. So we're gonna fix that for sure, and then we'll see what we can do with by washing it and maybe restoring some of this paint. Alright, we're in the car. Let's see if we can replicate that click click. Oh, that's pretty bad. Let's go work on it. I got a quick jack to make the car jacked up quickly, but it looks like that's never happening with this car because it's so low. So I gotta jack the front so I can put the other jack on the bottom. And it's very slow going because this is all I have. But she'll get up there. Actually, I'm not even gonna use the quick jack, so I can just jack it up, put jack stands in the bottom, and I should be able to access the control arm easily. Alright, pain in the ass. I also ended up buying this ball joints removal, and it's pretty cool because there's a little booklet, and based on a vehicle you have, it tells you like what number to use to remove, for example, a ball joint. So on a Mustang, I think they said 18, and I believe this bad boy. So I'll set this up and show you how it goes. Alright, this is how she goes. We got a tool, we got a bottom cup, a sleeve, we have an upper ball joint sleeve also, and the screw goes through. So we're just gonna crank on this screw and see the ball joint come out. So here is my first kit that I bought, and I thought I was just gonna drill out a rubbers from the control arms, from the ones that I just painted, and I'll show you how I did that. And I do not agree with that. It's a lot of labor, a lot of work, when it's easier to buy this kit. So let me show you how I did this, which is struggling when I put a video here. Alright, this is how I'm taking it out. So what I'm doing is literally just drilling around the metal pole. Once I drill out, it looks like this, and then this usually just comes out with a screwdriver. So this one should be able to come out right pretty soon, and then there's no need for fire. So just keep going around, and the drill naturally wants to walk around the metal, so she's basically out. So I should be able to cut this around and then just hammer it out. Now that you see in the video, you're gonna see me pull these out, the metal, the OEM metal from the OEM bushing. So this is better, and this bushing energy suspension is a little bit better, because if you do a field test, you can definitely feel that this is more solid and this is more rubber. So you can see even the difference in the sound. So for sure gonna use the energy suspension. I know it's gonna be a harsher ride, but I do have a meaty tire, so that's gonna compensate for that. But these do look good paint though. So after I did all the hard work of taking the bushings out, it seems like I gotta do extra work on this side, so I changed my mind. I am going to get sleeves so I can just insert them here. So now I'm going to take them out along with a ball joints. One down. While I let these bad boys dry out, let me just update you quickly on everything else here. The car is in the garage. We are gonna be starting to put that engine in there and then mock up everything else. Now the brakes, brake lines, ABS, traction, bullshit, dashboard, interior. So it's gonna be a lot of work. And then we will be doing a wide body. That's the last thing, but first get a car running and cut out the corners, see how we're gonna widen it out, the front too. Yeah. Alright, she's pressed in. Took a little force. This one is in. This one is in. However, it's a little gap here, so I'm gonna just use a little hammer from this side. The reason why this one kind of moved over, because I didn't use the lube. I used the lube on this one and went in perfectly. Used the lube on this one, went in perfectly. So I just gotta fix this one a little bit here. No big deal. And now we gotta do that one, and we get to install them. Alright, so this part is critical. You have to lube the crap out of these bushings, otherwise you will be having a lot of squeaking noise driving down the road. It's gonna feel like a old car. And I got 4 of these baggies, 1 for each bushing, so be good. See how nice tacky that is? Everything. The corners. I got a lot of this stuff, so got dirty hands. I'm gonna grease them all before I start hammering it in. Oh man. I need a press for this too? Come on, just go in there. Okay, she's going in there, but I'm messing up my table down here. She's going rubber mullet. Slowly but surely. I don't need to press for this one. She's rubber though. Rubber ducking. I think she's there. Satisfied. Alright, got the control arms installed. Didn't bore you with installation. It's the same as uninstalling, but before I tighten the bushings in the back, this is what I did. Also, do not try this at home, but she is on a level ground as she was to drive, so now I just gotta tighten it up, and then we're all done. Wow, the response on the car is 300 times better. Instantly, like it feels like a brand new car, man. These bushings are very well made. I love it. Look at that. It's very responsive now. The old bushings, man, they were like, you turn the steering wheel and you gotta wait. It's like, it was almost like a Bluetooth. And the ride is actually pretty nice too. Alright, here she is. She feels 300 times better. Give her a little wash. She looks 2 times better, but yeah, we definitely have to paint her. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out my other videos.